We're looking here at a very pleasing lot of 10 different promotional items that were issued for the 1939 and 40 World's Fair that was held in New York. And as you can see, oh, look at this. This is the original little handbill with prices that was been inserted here. But as you can see, look at that Macy's ad. They're great Art Deco era graphics. And here we've got this large fold-out map of the routes and the various ways to get there across the city, all kinds of ads. Look at that cover. Wow, that's fantastic. Very deco. Here's this little, the Perisphere brochure. And then we've got this Greyhound promotional brochure. Getting on the bus. It's great. Colorful. Very deco. It's wonderful. Wonderful. Look at that. That's frameable right there. That's a great bird's eye view. There's another really nice, almost cartoonish map. Shows the location of the fair in relationship to the city. Nice item. Then we've got this little tour brochure with a little symbol of the Perisphere. Look at this. Look at that. Great Art Deco for Chrysler Motor Company. And look at this. Three-dimensional movies. Ha, ha, ha. Look at that. Okay, and then look at this. There's another one. It's a great little deco. 50 thrifty cents. The General Electric Building brochure. It folds open like this. Right. We've got this from this hotel. Look at these graphics on here. These are just very nice era graphics. And finally, this guidebook, so to speak, with this. Oh, look at this. So let's just take a look here what we've got. We'll just see what we've got here. We've got all these images of the fair and the grounds and so on. And then someone here a long time ago inserted at the back this little bit here from 1939, Popular Mechanics article about the city of tomorrow. Huh, this is as it appeared in Popular Mechanics. Someone must have taken it out of the magazine back then and tucked it in here, so here it is. And this lot right here of World's Fair items is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.